Welcome back to Bino's Wild Adventures. Today we are embarking on a fascinating journey across the diverse landscapes of Africa to discover its incredible fox species. From the smallest desert dweller to the large-eared hunter, join me as we explore the lives of these remarkable creatures. Fennec fox, Vopus zerda. Our first stop is the Sahara Desert, home to the fennec fox. Known for its distinctive large ears and fluffy coat, the fennec fox is the smallest fox species in the world. These ears are not just for show, they help dissipate heat and locate prey underground. Adapted to desert life, fennecs conserve water and survive on small rodents, insects and plants. Pale fox, Vopus pallida. Next we meet the elusive pale fox. Inhabiting the semi-arid regions of Sahel, this fox is a master of adaptation. With its pale coat providing camouflage and nocturnal habits, it thrives in a harsh environment, preying on small mammals and birds. Rupel's fox, Vopus rupelia. The Rupel's fox, named after the German naturalist Eduard Rupel, is another desert inhabitant. This small fox with its sandy coat and bushy tail is a solitary creature mainly active at night to avoid the extreme heat. Cape fox, Vopus chama. In the southern regions of Africa, the Cape fox emerges. Distinguished by its silver-grey fur and black tipped tail, it's the only true fox native to southern Africa. It is a versatile feeder, adapting its diet to the availability of prey and fruits. Bat-eared fox, Otocion megalotis. Let's turn our focus to the fascinating bat-eared fox, a species that stands apart in the fox family. Unlike its cousins, the bat-eared fox belongs to its own genus Otocion. This distinction is due to several unique evolutionary traits. Most notably, the bat-eared fox has a different dental structure from other foxes. It possesses more teeth, up to 46 to 50, which is significantly more than the typical 42 teeth found in other fox species. These extra teeth are smaller and shaped differently, perfectly adapted to their insectivorous diet, primarily consisting of termites and other insects. Another distinguishing feature is, of course, the large ears. These are not just for acute hearing, they also play a crucial role in thermoregulation, helping these foxes to dissipate heat in their warm, arid habitats. This combination of specialized dentition and ear structure signifies a unique evolutionary path leading to their classification as a separate genus. The bat-eared fox's adaptations showcase the incredible diversity and specialization found in the animal kingdom, particularly within the Canidae family. As we've seen today, the African continent is a mosaic of habitats, each hosting its own unique fox species. From the smallest fennec to the distinct bat-eared fox, these animals are a testament to nature's adaptability and beauty. Thank you for joining me on this wild adventure. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Bino's Wild Adventures for more wildlife explorations.